Terrace.
Yep. This should be fun.
Secret Service, yeah, sniper. There's, what's her face? 007.
It's M.
Yeah,
007.
and there's the news reporter. Megan. Pirate. I don't know what you all should have. Not yet.
I need to get ready, Joseph, so that's 1 more minute.
Oh, Josiah, shut up. Just go.
Okay.
Did he have a helmet?
Woo!
Oh, where is the bag?
I'm trying to find the terrorist.
Oh, there he is. He got knocked off his steed. Oh man.
The president's desk.
Yeah, where's the president?
That's the president.
Secretary ended up right there.
That's the president. Yeah. And that's the president.
Oh wow.